When I was a boy, all this was sea, and it expands and it expands and it gets dirtier. But I live here, and I explore the birds that are stupid enough to stay here. There was a beautiful nature reserve here in 1960, one of the most beautiful we had. Now, gone. So the birds were gone, and they polluted the sea. The thing is that people, especially the ones who like to shoot animals, they don't like animals that are smarter. That's what these Indian house crows were. They were extremely clever, and they were punished for their intelligence.